Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Temu coupons and spin to win bonuses the right way. If you've collected coupons or earned bonuses but they are not applying at here's how to use them properly and save more. Step number 1, open the Temu app on your iPhone and then tap U on the bottom. Then tap coupons and offers to see all your available coupons and spin to win. Next, check the expiration date and minimum spend amounts to know which ones apply. Add the items you want to buy to your cart. Make sure the quality they qualify for the coupon offers. Add the items you want to buy to your cart. Make sure the quality for the coupon. Some offers exclude certain qualities or sell items. At checkout, your eligible coupons will automatically appear. Select the one you want. Tap apply. If you want a spin to win bonus, it actually shows as credit or discount at checkout. Tap it to activate before completing your payment. Privacy tip: only use coupons and bonuses found inside the official Temu app or website. Avoid entering random codes from unofficial sites that could be scams. Quick fix: if the coupon doesn't work, refresh the app and re-add the items to your card. Then try again. If it's not applying, double check the coupons terms or contact Temu support to manually apply it. And that's it. Subscribe for more great fixes.